Hi everyone, Terry here, and I am nuts about stamping. I'm here today to show you a really cool birthday card idea that I'm going to create with the help of my Big Shot and using only Celebration products. If you want to know more about Celebration, I'll add a link in my video so that you can hop on over to my blog and read all about it. Basically, the products I'm going to show you to make this card are completely free with a qualifying order from any one of our other catalogs. So let's get started. My card base is going to be basic gray. I've cut it 8.5 by 5.5, scored it on the 4 1/4 mark. And to that, I'm going to add a strip of designer series paper. This is one of the products that you can earn for free. I should have had the page marked. It's called Bubbles and Fizz Designer Series Paper. And this paper coordinates with a stamp set called Bubble Over that's in the New Occasions catalog. I will link to that blog post so that you can see the new catalog and download it and browse through it when you have some free time. So I've got a strip of the Bubbles and Fizz Designer Series paper that I'm going to add to my basic gray card base. Out of snail, happens. All right, there we go. Love the colors in that. If you want to know what colors are coordinating with the Bubbles and Fizz Designer Series paper, I have an upcoming blog post that will share all the colors of the new paper in the Occasions catalog and this pack in the Celebration catalog, so you can coordinate and plan ahead for what ink colors you want to purchase. The next thing I'm going to do is use 2 of the framelits in the Celebrate You pack. That is in this catalog as well. Here it is here. And I have chosen 2 of the thinlits, the Amazing and the You, and that's what I'm going to use my Big Shot for. So I'm going to die cut the Amazing word out of Calypso Coral, and I have brought in my Sizzix adhesive sheets. Love these sheets because they help me create stickers, and I don't have to do any messy gluing and fussy cutting. So this is a quick and easy way to create a sticker if I can get the backing off. There we go. I'm all thumbs today. There we go. All right, so I've got a piece of the Calypso Coral. And what I did before the video began, I just took the Amazing thinlit and cut a scrap piece of Calypso Coral around it, and then I used this piece on my Sizzix sheet to cut the sticker size, and that way I save. And then for the U, I'm going to use Bermuda Bay, and I did the same thing. I'm going to add a Sizzix layer. It's really sticky stuff. All right, now I'm ready to die cut. So I can die cut both at the same time using my magnetic platform and my bottom standard cutting pad. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the cardstock up, and then I'm going to lay the die on top of it. Then I'm going to bring my top standard cutting pad, hold that down in place, and die cut them out. Okay, so there's the Amazing, and there is the U. And, oh, I also want to use my Big Shot one more time because I'm going to die cut an oval. So I've got my layering ovals framelits. I forgot that I wanted to do this. I probably could have done it at the same time that I die cut the words, but that's okay. And I've just used a scrap piece of Whisper White. I'm not using my Sizzix sheet this time because I don't want to make this in a sticker. All right, so let me pull the Amazing out. Looks like for this one I should have gone back and forth a little bit, but there we go. Let's bring this out. I've got just a little piece that, oh, there it came out. All right, so let's put the Amazing towards the top of my oval, like so. And then the U I'm going to put underneath. So I'm just peeling off the backing of the sticker. And I'm going to put it like that. And then I think what I'll do is I'll bring in my Stampin' Dimensionals, because you know me, life isn't life every day without using Stampin' Dimensionals. And I will just put 3 on. You don't need a lot of these. That's why one pack lasts a very long time. It's a good value. And then I'm going to add this to my the front of my card, like so. And then one last thing I'm going to do is add a piece of basic gray ribbon to complete my card. And there we go. My birthday card is simply amazing and was really fun to create. I can see me making a ton of these and tucking them away for the year to come. The other thing, if you wanted to bump it up a little bit of a notch, you could do some die cut flowers. You could do a strip of coordinating cardstock underneath the oval. You could try and do a larger oval, although I think this was one of the largest ovals in the Layering Ovals pack. There's a variety of things you could do to add a few unique touches to this to complete the card. For a complete listing of what I used and the measurement for the cardstock layers and a link to how to earn this for free, all of these dies and the paper, please hop on over to my blog, www.nutsaboutstamping.com. I'm Terry. I am Nuts About Stamping. I'll see you next week with a brand new project. I hope you create something beautiful today too. Bye for now.